Welcome back, everyone. A question that I see all the time is, how do you know if your AirPods are charging? Well, pretty much what you need to look out for is this LED light in here or an LED light within your AirPods. Now, if your AirPods do show an LED light and they're plugged in, or if you're putting it on a wireless charger and they're charging that way, well then that means they're charging. If you close the lid like this and you see the LED light on the front, sometimes it can be orange. Most of the time it'll probably be green if it's charging. And that's really all you have to do. All you have to do pretty much is load it open like this, and you can pretty much see your AirPods charging that way. Sometimes there can be some situations where you put your AirPods on a set of, a wireless charger or something, and you maybe don't have them with you, or maybe they're not even showcasing anything. Well, in that case, what you may have to do is you may have to load up an iPhone such as this one. If you have the ability to, you may want to add the battery widget right here. Now, when you add this battery widget, you should be able to see all these specific, devices that you have, including your AirPods, and controllers, different devices, headphones. You'll be able to see those AirPods here. And if they're charging, it'll show you an indicator that that AirPod is actually charging. For example, it'll show you something like this. Typically, when it's charging, you can see like with these ones, it's showing that this one is charging right here. Although it's weird that it's not showing this one, which is very funny. But it will show you something like that AirPod set is charging right there. If one is at 100%, then it's not charging anymore. But the case itself, as you can see, it also showcases that that's charging. So if you have the battery widget, I would recommend turning that on, and you'll easily be able to tell that your AirPods are charging that way too. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.